Okay, you're welcome. So in this video I want to show you how to create a business flyer. You can see this is a sample of a business flyer that I got. So I'm going to show you how to create similar stuff. So the size of this design, make sure you set the size. The first important thing is to set your image size. So the size of this particular business flyer is what? Let me show you the size. So I've already set the size. The size is 1131 1600. Okay, so once you set your size, then you are good to go. So I can actually use a shape to to get these shapes. Okay, let me show you this place. Sorry, like this place. Now I want to show you how I was able to get it. This green part. Okay, that color. So I'm going to use, let me use this heart shape. I'm going to select a color. I'm going to use a color picker from here. So I'll click it and choose this color and click the check mark here. So once I click it, I'll click OK. Okay, I've chosen it, and now I'm going to drag it like this, resize it to the shape I want. Okay, so I'm not going to use that shape from the reference, so I might use this one. Okay, you can see. I'm going to do it like this. Okay, so I can equally change it too. I can change. Okay, let me use this one. Let's see if this one is good. Okay, then bring it position. Use the position too. If anything hides away from your screen, just use the position to bring it back. Okay, do it like this, resize it. Okay, and position it like this. All right, now I'm going to get another shape. Let me use this. Okay, and I'll put the color, the same color. Okay, now I'm going to put it here. Now for this other place, I can get another shape. Let me use this, and I'll put what's that color? Let me pick it. Use color picker. I'll pick this side. Okay, look at it. I'll click OK. Now I'm going to select it. I'm going to drag it to fill that area, this place. Okay, so you can see. Now I'll bring this one to the front. Okay, so let me hide the reference. Okay, so this was what I'm able to get now. Okay, now enter what's your text. Your text. Okay, grow your business. Okay, let me see the reference. It says grow your business with us. So now this grow. Okay, I resize it. You resize it like this and change the font. You can change the font. Okay, go to font and choose any font of your choice. Choose any font of your choice. So I'm going to use this. Let me use this. Okay, I'll duplicate it and type grow your business with us. I'll duplicate and put business. Okay, so I'm trying to make sure I resize everything now. So just drag, make use of your size though. For example, I'm just dragging it first, so I'm going to make use of the size of the text. Okay, like this one now, the size of this text is 76. The same to be 76. Okay, put it at 76. The same one, 76. You have to make use of your words, your size. Okay, so I'm going to duplicate and add with horse. Okay, now the color is what? The color of this font is this. Okay, now I'm going to add the about section and what and what. So all those things. Let me bring it up a little. Okay. Okay. So the company name should go above here. The company name should be up here, which you can put any name of your choice. My wealth Biz company. My wealth Biz company. Okay. So this is the company name. The company name is my wealth Biz. So I'll just add white. Okay. And I'll make it bold. So I can use shape to put logo. For company logo. For the company logo, just add a shape. Okay. So now I'm going to type about us and other things. Now about us, sorry. About us. Okay, I'm going to bold it. Okay, I'll position it here. And then the about us. Then this is where you type your information about the company and what you sell. My wealth business. My wealth biz is a revolutionized whatever. So I'm going to type my biz is an organization focusing on helping businesses worldwide to reach their maximum potentials or something like that. Okay, alright, just something like this. That's your about your business. Okay, so I'm going to add another. What's that thing again? I'm going to add best services. Okay, so the best services are the services your company offer. So I'm going to use this, copy it, duplicate, and type what best services. Best services. Okay, or our services, anyone. Our services. Okay, so put the color white. As usual, put the color white, and then use this one. Remember, you can change font too. You can change font. As you can see, I didn't change much font here, so you can change your font. Change your font style. Okay, our services. You can put anything. digital marketing, whatever. So that's what this company is doing. Digital marketing, social, what's that? Branding, okay. What happened? Looks like there's a mistake. Sorry, let me pause this video. Okay guys, something happened and this design has to scatter. So it's because I did not lock the images, those shapes. I didn't lock it, and the text, so that's the problem. So I'll fix it now. And then now let me add other things. Okay, so the services and so on. Okay, for these services, just duplicate and add our services. Okay, our services. I'll put the color white and then use this one. Okay, so you can add another text. Let me add another text. So the text is what? Digital marketing, branding, and what again? Website development. Let me just type website development. Okay, so let me hide this reference. Now I'm going to position it here and put the color white. I'll put the color white. Okay, now seems there's another thing. Okay, so after that you can add your phone number. So this is an example of what a business flyer. So there's different designs for different businesses. Okay, so like this one, I'm adding all these things. Like you want to add another shape, there's something I want to add here. Let me reduce it a little more. Okay, so use the position to move the objects. Use the position to. I hope you are seeing what I'm doing. Use the position to move shapes. Okay, so let's look at our reference image. Our reference image, we have the website, the company website. Look at it. Look at the company website. So you can add your website, okay, or the location of your business. So you can just add another your website information right here. So just type your website. Okay, let me just type my wealth biz, mywealthbiz.com. Okay, so this is the website. Now to get the icon, there's icon for website. So let me search if I can get it. Icon. My God, I don't have it too. Website. Okay, I don't think you can have that website. Now just leave it. Okay, so you can just add your website and your contact phone number here. just enter your contact phone number 09029941279. So for that icon you can get let me see if I can get this icons. Okay, icon and more. Okay, so let's yes, this is websites, this web. Okay, so it's a website. Let me reduce the size. Okay, I'll bring it down here. Zoom in like this. Okay, position it down here. Then you can also add your this thing, duplicate it so that you see the other parts you crop. That's phone number. Okay, select it and bring it down here. Okay, bring it down here. So this is the contact number and website. Okay, so zoom out, and that's it. So this is how to create your own business flyer. Hope you learned how to do this. So I just did this random design for it. Okay, remember you can change the shape if you don't like it. Like for example, this shape now, this shape, let me change it. Let me put circle. I want to show you. I put circle. Watch. Okay, I bring it to the front and okay, send it to the back. Okay, you can see this. Okay, so just play around with this design. Okay, play around and see how you can create your own. Okay, you must not use the same shape. Okay, you can just change some things and just change some things. Okay, so look at. Okay, you see what I did now? So you can resize it. If you don't want to touch it, removing it like this, just go to relative size and increase the height. Okay, increase the height. Okay, do it like this. So that's all for now. Okay, this video has been long. Okay, that's all.